So magnetic field due to current through a straight conductor, magnetic field due to current through a circular loop, magnetic field due to a solenoid. So these three are super important topics. One question may come or 3 out of 3 can come in exam. Remember, in 3 out of 1 question will be there in your exam at any cost. Okay, so please give your full concentration so that you will understand each and every topics. Magnetic field due to current through a straight conductor. If we start this topic, see here, it can be represented by the concentric circles at every point of the conductor. First point, direction can be given by right hand thumb rule of the compass. Third point, circles are closer near the conductor. Magnetic field, strength of a current, and magnetic field is directly proportional to 1 by distance from the conductor. So this much points are enough for you people. So this is the straight conductor. Also, we have seen this also, I think, correct? No, this one we have not seen. So here, especially, I am considering magnet. Say this is the conductor. Current carrying I. Conductor current carrying I. How this conductor is? Straight conductor. How is this conductor? Straight conductor. So if it is straight conductor, so we know that current carrying conductor will produce magnetic field around it. That is for sure. That is for fixed. So as current carrying conductor can produce magnetic field around it, so how this magnetic field looks like? What is the direction of that magnetic field? So these points become very important. So if I apply voltage to this, this is plus, this is minus, then current I will flow inside this. Then if current I flows, magnetic field will be produced by this conductor. So you people have understood one point, that whenever a conductor is there, whenever a current carrying conductor is there, means if it is carrying current I, then it will produce magnetic field around it. It will produce magnetic field around this conductor. So this property is nothing but magnetic effect of electric current. Who is producing magnetic field here? The current is producing magnetic field. The current I is producing magnetic field around the conductor. So if the conductor is straight, then how this magnetic field looks like? If the conductor is circular like this, so if conductor is straight, how magnetic field looks like, and what is the direction of magnetic field? We should know. And if the conductor is circular like this, if current I is flowing, say this is the straight conductor, if I make the straight conductor into circular conductor, then how the current will flow, and what is the direction of magnetic field, and how the magnetic field looks. And if these conductors, if I just encircle this conductor to the solenoid, to the hollow tube, then it is called solenoid. Then how the field will be. So these all things we are studying in this topic. See here, in first case what we are considering? We are considering the conductor which is in straight line. The conductor which is in straight. So the straight conductor is carrying current I. So see, this is the direction of current I. This is the direction of current I, because see, this is the positive end, this is the negative end. Then the current direction will be like this. Is it right? So current direction we consider from positive to negative. Always remember. So this is the positive end of the battery. This is the negative end of the battery. So the direction of current will start from here to here like this. So what is this? You can ask. This is variable resistance. Variable resistance. So this one is called just resistance. Or if I put just arrow to this, this is the resistance. If I put arrow to this, then it is called variable resistance. So this is variable resistance, means I can change the value of this resistance. This is for the protection of circuit. And this one is current measuring device, that is ammeter, current measuring device ammeter. So this is the switch which can be used as turn on and turn off. So when switch is turned on, when switch is closed, the current starts flowing in this conductor like this. So when current starts flowing in this conductor carrying this conductor, then the field is produced around this. How this field will be produced? That field is in concentric circles. How the field is looking? The field is in concentric circles. Please remember. If it is a straight conductor, the field will be like this. This is the field. So this is one field line, second field line, third field line, fourth field line. So the when straight conductor is there means field, how it will be? Field will be in concentric circle. When you move away from the conductor, if it is a conductor, when you move away from the conductor, then the concentric circles will become big. The diameter of the concentric circle increases. When you come closer, the diameter of the concentric circle will be very small. Understood? So when you go away from the conductor, the concentric circles will become bigger, and the direction, it can be represented by the concentric circle. How this field will be? Field will be in the concentric circle fashion. Then the direction can be given by the right hand thumb rule or compass. So if you want to find out where the direction, how is the direction of this magnetic field, then this law you can use, right hand thumb rule. This law you can use. How is this? See, if this is the direction of current, how the magnetic field looks like? Thumb is indicating the direction of the current, then the fingers will indicate the direction of magnetic field. So how these fingers are? Fingers are in this fashion. So fingers are in this fashion means the direction of magnetic field will be, say fingers are in this direction means magnetic field direction will be like this. So exactly this law we have to use here. Same law. See here. So this is the direction of the current. This is the direction of the current. Then the how the direction of the field will be? Fingers will be in this fashion. Okay. So this is the direction of the field. So we found direction of current. If direction is like this, downwards, direction of current is downwards, then the circles will be in this fashion. So third point will be circles are closer near the conductor. How these circles are? Circles are closer near the conductor. See, these circles are closer near the conductor. When you go away from the conductor, they are having much more distance between each point. Circles are closer near the conductor. Magnetic field is directly proportional to strength of the current. This is very, very important point. Magnetic field is directly proportional to the strength of the current. See, if you want to measure the magnetic field is measured in B. Magnetic field is represented in the B vector. B ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Directly proportional to strength of current. If current is more, then magnetic field is more. Getting my point? Understood or not, Santoshi, Archita? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you say you are applying 5 ampere of current, then here some amount of, say 10 B of magnetic field is produced. If you are giving 5 ampere of current, then 10 B of magnetic field is produced. If you increase it to 50 ampere of current, then the field will be how much? Field will be like 1000 B or 100 B or 1000 B. So I'm just giving the rough data here. Okay, 1000 means if you increase the current, the magnetic field also increases. The strength of magnetic field is directly proportional to the strength of current. Understood? Strength of magnetic field is directly proportional to strength of current. If you reduce the strength of current, then the magnetic field strength will also reduce. If you increase the strength of current, then the magnetic field strength will also be increased. They both are directly proportional. Please remember. So next is magnetic field is directly proportional to 1 by distance from the conductor. See here, I'll just take you to the point. Give me a minute. Say this is our conductor. This is our conductor carrying current I. This is the conductor carrying current I. So it will produce magnetic field around it. Okay, it will produce magnetic field around it like this. So strength of magnetic field is directly proportional to what? Can you tell me? Strength of magnetic field is directly proportional to strength of
Current.
strength of
Current.
strength of current. So say I wanted to find out strength at this point. ನಂಗೆ ಈ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ನಂಗೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಬಲ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಲ್ ಅದ ನಾವು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ದೇವ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತದ್ರಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ತದ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ the strength of magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance from conductor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸನಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬಿಟ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಒಂದು ಐರನ್ ನೇಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಐರನ್ ನೇಲ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಐರನ್ ನೇಲ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ one more iron nail you take here this iron nail is A B this is C so which one will be attracted first to this magnet tell me A B or C A because it is closer andra if it is closer distance is less means the strength is more if distance is more strength is less understood
Yes sir.
This point you have to understand very carefully. So this is about the magnetic field due to current carrying conductor, which is in straight current carrying conductor. So this may come in exam, very important concept. So next is magnetic field due to current through circular. So it can be represented by concentric circles at every point. Circles becomes larger and larger as we move away. Every point on the wire carrying current would give rise to magnetic field, appearing as a straight line at the center of the loop. The direction of magnetic field inside the loop is same. Okay, so this is the circular loop. Can you see the diagram here? In the see, this is circular loop like this. So now that straight conductor I made into circular conductor. Adhe straight conductor ina ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಈಗ circular conductor ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಸೊ ಹೌ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈ ಜಾಗದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ the field will be like this. Here the field will be like this. Here field will be like this. Here field will be like this. Here like this. At center it will be straight line. Andre artha enu this point is acting like one straight conductor. This point will act like one straight conductor. This point will act like one straight conductor. Each and every point will act like a straight conductor here. Understood? So straight conductor, how the straight conductor the magnetic field will be like this. In straight conductor magnetic field is like this. So it is acting like straight conductor means magnetic field will be like this. So each and every point of a circular loop acts as a straight conductor. So it can be represented by concentric circles at every point. See, at this point, see, so this is the circular loop. So I will ask you to show the field at this point A. Point A daga field hangada anta nanu nimge ತೋರಿಸಂತೇರಿ. See, this is the point A. You should show me the field point A. Point B, you should show me the field. Point C, you should show me the field here, point C. So at every point, how you should show? You should show in the form of concentric circle. You should show in the form of, here it is also like concentric circles. Here it will also be like concentric circles. So at every point, the field will be like concentric circle. Understand this point, very, very important. So the second point is circles become larger and larger as we move away. This one everyone knows. So if you go away from this conductor, If you go away from the conductor, circles will become larger. If you go away from the conductor, circles will be larger. If you are closer to the conductor, circles will be smaller. So every point on the wire carrying current would give rise to magnetic field appearing as a straight line at the center of the loop. Please remember, every point on the wire carrying current would give rise to magnetic field appearing as a straight line at the center of the loop. See this magnetic field lines are continuous. Magnetic field lines are continuous. Say this is, if it is the circular loop, I'll draw that circular loop. Wait. Say if it is a circular loop, I want magnetic field at this point. So how I'll draw like this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So it is becoming more bigger. So I'll draw from here itself. So they never intersect. Wait a minute. So they looks like straight here. So if I want at this point also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the center, the field will be like a straight wire. Field will be in the form of straight. They look like straight, but they are continuous like this here. They are continuous. They are continuous. Please remember, they looks like straight at the center point, but they are continuous in the fashion. Here they have not shown here. They are not showing here actually. See, actually these all are like continuous, like these all are like continuous. This is also continuous. So when you see at the center point, the field will looks like a straight line. Fields will look like a straight line. And the direction of magnetic field inside the loop is same. Magnetic field inside the loop. See, this loop, inside the loop is the magnetic field is same at all the points. So factor affecting field of a circular current carrying conductor. So on what factor the field of the circular conductor depends? The first point is magnetic field is directly proportional to current passing through the conductor. Same, this point is also same as it is there in straight conductor. So magnetic field here is also, if it is a straight conductor, magnetic field B is directly proportional to current carrying the conductor. Means if you increase the current, the magnetic field will increase here in circular loop also. Second is magnetic field is directly proportional to distance from the conductor. This point is also same. First and second points are both are same for circular loop as well as straight conductor. Magnetic field is directly proportional to number of turns in the coil. That is also important. See, if it is one coil, the magnetic field is say 50 B. So if it is two coil, the magnetic field will increase to 100. If it is three coil circular loop, magnetic field will be 150. If it is four coil, so if the magnetic field is also, this magnetic field is also directly proportional to number of turns. Means how much turns are there in the coil, it depends on that also. If number of turns are more, then magnetic field is also more. So first is magnetic field is directly proportional to what? The strength of current. Second is magnetic field is inversely proportional to distance. Third is magnetic field is directly proportional to number of turns. Current, it is directly proportional to current, it is inversely proportional to distance from the conductor, it is directly proportional to number of turns. Directly means if it is increasing, this quantity will also increase parallelly. If one is decreasing, that quantity will also decrease. So next point is magnetic field is additive in nature. Magnetic field of one loop adds up to the magnetic field of another loop. This becomes the current in each circular turns has same direction, some direction. Means whenever you increase the number of turns, the magnetic field will be added. Okay, magnetic field will become more and more when you increase the number of turns. Have you understood these concepts? First is straight conductor. Second is circular loop. Understood? So let us see what is solenoid first. I'll draw the solenoid for you people. Say I'll take a cardboard. cardboard I'll make like this. Okay, I'll take a cardboard and I'll make this cardboard like this in the fashion of pipe. I'm just making like a pipe cardboard. I'm just turning it as a pipe like structure. This is a pipe like structure here. This is a pipe like structure of cardboard. Then what I will do, I will take a conductor. So conductor, copper conductor, I'll take insulated copper wire. Insulated copper wire I'll wrap around it like this. Insulated copper wire I'm wrapping around it. Insulated copper wire. Then this copper wire from this end and from this end, what I have to do, I have to apply voltage to this. I have applied voltage to this. See, this is positive end, this is negative end. So now current starts flowing in this conductor. So current will start flowing in this, where? In this conductor. This is the cardboard. This is our conductor which is surrounded this cardboard. So this device is nothing but our solenoid. What is this device is called? Solenoid. Understood? Very, very, very important. Up to degree level you study this solenoid. Very, very important. So how the field is now inside the solenoid? See, this solenoid is exactly, we people have seen bar magnet, right? At starting we have seen bar magnet. See, you have drawn the diagram also like this. So it was a bar magnet. It is having N and S ends. Then the magnetic field will be like this around this. It will start from N and end at south, and it will start from N and end at south. The bar magnet looks like this. Correct? Have you seen this? This is the bar magnet. So solenoid exactly acts like a bar magnet. Just simple, keep it in your mind. Solenoid exactly acts like a bar magnet. See, as this is the solenoid, this is the solenoid, how the field will be? Field will be like bar magnet. So this one I'll consider as NS, and this one I'll consider as S. Then field will start like this. Field lines will be like this. Field lines will be like this. So inside the solenoid, how field lines are looking? Inside the solenoid, field lines are like this. They are parallel to each other. Field lines are straight lines. So outside the solenoid, they are in the circular fashion. Getting my point? Inside the solenoid, field lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, the field is uniform inside the solenoid. Please remember, inside the solenoid, how is the field? Inside the solenoid, field is uniform. Means at this point of the solenoid, field is same. At this point is also same. At this point is also same. At this point is also same. But in bar magnet, if you see, if I take you to the bar magnet, how bar magnet looks? It is the bar magnet. Field is more at which point? Field is more at this point and this point. Field is less at this point. Field is less at this point, upside. So where these magnetic fields are closer, though there the field lines are more. Field is high. Field strength is high. Like that, in solenoid also, inside the solenoid, magnetic field is uniform. Inside the solenoid, magnetic field is uniform, but outside the solenoid, magnetic field is different at different points. See, this is the solenoid. So as you can see, inside the solenoid, magnetic field lines are parallel to each other. So if they are parallel to each other, the magnetic field at every point is same inside the solenoid. At this point, the magnetic field is same. At this point, magnetic field is same. This point, magnetic field is same. This point, magnetic. Everywhere inside the solenoid, magnetic field is same. But at this point, magnetic field is different. At this point, magnetic field is different. At this point, magnetic field. Here also magnetic field is different. Here also magnetic field is different. Here also magnetic field is different. So remember, this bar magnet is exactly acting like this solenoid is exactly acting like a bar magnet. How is the bar magnet's characteristics? That type of characteristic this solenoid also possesses. Understood? See, a coil or a many circular turns of insulated copper wire is wrapped closely in a cylindrical form. Magnetic field of solenoid is similar to that of bar magnet. What I said? Magnetic field of a solenoid is similar to that of a bar magnet. See, solenoid is exactly same like a bar magnet. So magnetic field is uniform inside the solenoid and represented by the parallel field lines. Please keep in your mind that magnetic field inside the solenoid is same because magnetic field lines are parallel to each other. Outside the solenoid, they are not parallel. Outside the solenoid, they are not parallel, but inside the solenoid, they are parallel to each other. Parallel means like this. They are parallel to each other inside the solenoid. Therefore, the field at each and every point inside the solenoid is uniform. Please remember, uniform. So magnetic field is uniform inside the solenoid represented by the parallel field. Direction of the magnetic field. How is the direction of magnetic field? Outside the solenoid, north to south. Same like bar magnet. Outside the solenoid, how? If it is a bar magnet, if it is N to N and S. So outside the solenoid, how the magnetic field line goes? From N to S. Outside the solenoid, from N to S. Inside the solenoid, how they are? From south to north. Like this. Inside the solenoid, they are from south to north. Please remember, exactly like a bar magnet. Solenoid can be used as magnetized or magnetic material like soft iron. So where the solenoid will be used? Solenoid is used to magnetize the magnetic material. So magnetize, ಯಾವುದರ ಒಂದು iron ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು magnetic property ಕೊಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ with the help of solenoid. So very important concepts we have seen. 3 concepts. From these 3 concepts, 1 or 2 or 3, all 3 can be asked. 1 can be asked or 2 can be asked. For 3 marks or 4 marks or 5 marks. It depends on the examiner how he is taking out the questions. But these are super important topics and hope you people have understood. If you have any queries, let me know now itself.